Hey friends, this is Harpreet and welcome back to my channel Harry Style. Today I am very excited to share with you my USA shopping haul, and I have got a lot of items from USA and these many items. While my father was in US, I thought of doing some shopping online and get some of the items which I don't get in India, or I get at a higher price in India, and get those items delivered at my father's place in USA. I had ordered some skincare range from Clinique. You can get the Clinique items from India also, but those are a little bit at a higher price. So I thought of getting it from US. And Clinique products are also available at Nykaa.com. So if you want, you can get it from there also. So first I'm sharing with you the skincare range which I got from Clinique. And this is a huge box. I had already opened these boxes, but I haven't used any of the product as of now because I wanted to share these products with you first, and then obviously I'll use these products. So let me just open it. Okay, it has a huge pouch and these are the products. So let me first tell you what does this bag contain. So this bag contain Clinique cleanser, toner and moisturizer. So actually this bag has two sets of a same products, one in a travel friendly packaging and the other one are the huge big sizes. So these are the products which are there in the bag. So these are in the small sizes, and I also have a bigger sizes in the bag. So this is the cleanser, and this is toner, and this is a moisturizer. So this is the 3-step skincare range, and now let me show you the bigger sizes, and these are so huge that I literally cannot travel with. This big is the cleanser, and this is the toner. It's a huge bottle and it has a little pump with it, so I can just open this lid and attach the pump to it. And this is the moisturizer. I really like the bottle and also the color of the moisturizer, and it has a little pump with it, and also the bottle is of plastic, so you know, if you want, you can travel also. So that's a nice one. And it has a huge bag. It was complimentary with the products. So now let's just talk about the price. I got this whole kit with this bag in around $42. I have heard so many good things about these products, so I thought of buying it and trying it. The next product I ordered from Clinique is from their Moisture Surge range, and this is the packaging. Let me just open it. Yes, it has pouch. So this pouch contains these 3 products. So the first one is a Moisture Surge Extended Thirst Relief. This is a kind of day cream. And the next one is this cute tub is for eyes. So this is eye cream. So it reduces wrinkles, circles, puffiness and all. And this cute tube is a night cream. I have heard so many good things about this cream, that it leaves your skin glowy, soft, supple, and it just improves your skin texture and all those good things. I got all these 3 products in around $42. Also, I got some products complimentary because the day I shopped, it had an offer that if I shop for $48 or $50, I will get some of the gifts complimentary. So I picked up Pep Start range from Clinique. Came in this little pouch. First is Clinique Pep Start eye cream. Then it has moisturizer having SPF 20, and then I got this Hydro Blur moisturizer. And with that, I also got some samples from their custom repair and sculpt wear range. These are the kind of anti-aging range. So these are the pouches. I think it can be used once or twice. And I also got the Pout Perfecting Balm. So this is the tryout packaging, and this one is a night mask, and which I have to try. I don't know what is this. Now let's just move on to the makeup products. So I picked up these makeup products. So these are eyeshadows from Morphe. First, let me show you this one. Let me just open it. I'm so excited. Okay, this is how the packaging is, and this is how it looks. It's plain black plastic palette, and it has all of these brown shades. So it has this plastic sheet to save the eyeshadows. Okay, now let me show you. Okay, so can you see that? So all these are the golden, brownish, coppery, glittery eyeshadows, and all these are matte eyeshadows. It has total 35 eyeshadows, and the palette name is 35R. This palette cost me around $23. Let me know if you want to see a swatch of each eyeshadow from this palette. And now let's just move to the other eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited, I'm skipping the words. Okay, so this is the one I ordered. So this is a Clinique and Morphe palette, and this was the limited edition. I think it is still available online. So this is not the wooden packaging, this is the cardboard kind of packaging, but a very solid thing, and it has Jaclyn Hill mentioned, and it's blingy. So let me just open it. Okay, I'll just open it in front of you. Dun-dun. See, I love these colors. So okay, so it has plastic sheet, and it has these pretty shades, like, let me just hold it nicely. So this blue color, this turquoise, this purple, this is glitter, not exactly glitter but obviously shimmery one. This is mustard, not exactly mustard but the yellowish mustard, and these are the shimmer shades. I hope you can see it. Let me know if you want me to swatch all the colors from this Jaclyn Hill palette also. This palette cost me around $38. I don't find any Indian website providing those products, but some of the Instagram pages who are dealing with the international brand makeup products, they are providing those products. And with that, I complete my haul video, and now I have so many of products lying there. So I have to wrap it up, pack it up, and in the meantime what you have to do is click on the subscribe button if you haven't done yet, and click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button, and hit the thumb button if you like this video. Share it with your friends, and let me know if you want to see review of any of these products. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.